side. Got nice deep breath in. Exhale, hold and down. Sway. Good, now we're gonna keep the shoulders up and down. Go up and down. Good, now roll it back. Right, left, right, left. Good, now heels go front. Again, now we're gonna push to the side, right and left. Heels front. Good, now side. Good, now here's that deep breath in. Here we go. Inhale. Exhale. Hold and down. Good, sway. Now we're going to take that chin down and up. And up. Good, now look to the right. Look to the left. Good. Take it to the side. One more. Good, now take those arms out. Hold it long. Bring the right arm across, shoulder down. Here we go, sway. Heels front, push. And to the side. Heels. Yeah, good to see you. Side. Good. And march it out in.